we're going on the studio tour. Oh my gosh, everything's so 3D. These are like sunglasses. Oh my gosh. There's a 25-minute wait, and but we still feel like waiting that long. So there. Oh my god, this is terrifying! We're going in the stage 50. I don't know what this is.
It's a replica of a San Francisco subway station. It was used for the TV show Bones, and okay. Little earthquake, no need to panic, it's okay. Like I was saying, this was used for Bedhead. Remain calm, stay seated. We're gonna call for backup.
Jaws. We're going to Jaws.
Open the beach.
Oh my god,
Police divers are doing one last thing. Lot thing, and now we're going to Jurassic Park, I think, I don't know. I don't know where we're going. I'm not riding that one. Minion World is the best place on earth. See? It's exactly like what it is in the movie. I'm gonna go in there again.